Okay, so we have our aloe vera, and we're just gonna cut the sides. So we don't get cut here. And the knife that I choose to use have the little
serrated edge.
yes, it'll make it a lot easier to get the glue versus just like a normal knife or a spoon. I like to use a knife because I feel like the chunks, it's less chunks. Like you want like just the gel, you know? So we take our aloe vera and we scrape, scrape, scrape. See, beautiful, beautiful. See how it's nice and smooth? We just keep doing that until we feel like we have enough. So there is aloe vera. Actually do this side. So we'll just scrape, scrape, scrape. You're gonna fast forward this part so you can cut it. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. Very, very jelly. So you'll have like have a little bit of this in there, but not too much of big lumps. Okay, now it's time to apply your natural aloe vera to your ends, okay? This is not going to be a chop, okay? You're not going to chop your ends. I know they look dreadful. You are just going to treat them with some aloe vera. Let's go. Some water. And a towel. Okay, before applying the aloe vera to your hair, you want to wet it so that the water and the aloe vera can mix. So I'm just going to use my shower because my head is big and it cannot fit in the sink. So I'm just going to wet it. My hair's dry, so we're just gonna wet it. You're gonna wet your hair. Okay. Woo. All right. Okay. Okay. Your hair is wet. Now we apply our aloe vera. So we are going to just, okay, and, okay, and I use the whole aloe vera. So I'm going to be very generous with my hair. It's been so long since I've actually treated my hair. Oh, it's time for me to go to work. So you just put it all over. Don't be shy. Okay. Make sure you get your ends really good. Okay. So my hair is all wrapped up in aloe vera. Make sure you get your edges. Because our people tend to have very weak edges. Or maybe that's just the weakest spot of everyone's hair, I don't know. But I want to keep mine nice and full. Okay. Now we want to leave it in overnight. And we'll be back tomorrow with part 2. Thanks for helping me with my hair journey. And look, we're shouting out our culture killing friend.